Hello everyone. So welcome to our Momo night. So tell them what we are doing.
Okay, momos are Nepal's most famous food, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
You can Google it. What is the most famous food in Nepal? Momos. Momos. It's kind of like a dumpling. It's like dough, and you put either vegetables, chicken, or buffalo meat inside, and then you wrap it up in a little present, and you can steam it or fry it. And sorry. Yes, they're very delicious, and obviously, like with the chicken, vegetables, or buffalo meat, there's all kinds of spices that make it scrumptious.
Yeah.
So recently, Gresham learned how to make momos himself, and it has been life-changing for us. So,
yeah, but we are making chicken momos because I don't like buffalo.
Lila's never eaten momos, and she probably would love them, but she's probably gonna have to go to bed before the momos are done. So we might have to give her something else to eat. Wait, is Ramon here? Let's go check, Lila. Ramon is here! We're making a vlog, and you're gonna be in it.
Hello.
On how to make momos. We've got cabbage, green onion, ginger. Lots of ginger. Tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Yes. And cilantro.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
So we've got Lina eating her banana and chickpeas. Is it delicious? No? We've got some sesame seeds that have been roasted for the sauce. Got onions, garlic, sizzling.
Everything is going on. Lina, are you excited for momos? Why? Lina loves camera. Ramon, say something.
Here's the too much hard for make a momo. I'm crying.
Ramon is crying. Look at the Ramon eyes. Da 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 da. Dee, 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 dee. here. Peanut onion, cabbage, everything.
Okay, I just got Lana down to sleep finally, and it looks like the boys are doing great. Did you tell them what that is?
This is keema, and next year we are mixing out.
Yeah, so that's the inside of the momo. It's all the chicken and vegetables and masala. Alright, Ramon is making the dough for the, what do you call the outside of a momo?
Roti.
Oh, roti. That makes sense.
This is Katie's sector. How are you feeling?
Right, I'm pretty okay. Pretty excited.
Thank you. That's the Ramon master. Dough master.
Alright, Gresham is boiling the water for the steamed
momo
momos. Alright, we have Ramon again making the dough. He's rolling it out. And then he throws them over to this section. Elsa, tell us what you're doing.
We are making dough like this.
So these are all of Gresham's sisters, and they're professional momo makers. So
Yes. Let me introduce.
yeah.
See Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, Daniel.
So basically, they put the keema
then
inside the dough,
yeah.
and then they fold it. A super cool way that I'm super bad at. Oh yes, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh wow, that looks so professional. Wow.
This side.
This.
Then only black side, okay? Pinch. Again, pinch. Yeah. Yes.
Pinch. Oh. I got it. Then at the end, you
This
pinch.
pinch and this is
Well, I'll get there. Everybody gonna know which momo I made.
look how sad this is. The disabled Momo.
Handicap.
That's our team, Momo making team.
Wow, it's somewhere. Good. Improving slowly. All right. The first round of momos are done. What do you think?
10 on, not 10 on 10, but yeah, it's so good.
So good. I want to show you guys the inside of these momos. Mmm. So good. Wow. And this is the achar you call?
Achar.
Achar.
It's a pickle.
It's basically sesame seeds and seasoning and onions, garlic, that whole stuff. It's so good. It tastes like peanuts. And it's a little bit spicy today.
Yeah, today I put a little bit spicy powder on this.
And you cook momos in that steamer for 10 minutes?
15 minutes minimum.
You got oil on my shirt.
Wow. What are you making, Katie?
Kothey. It means like you... How do you say it in English? Saute the bottom?
Kothey is like something burning on the butt.
Shut up! Stop talking about your butt. Yeah, you're just like making the bottom nice and grilled. Yeah, she knows English better than me. See, this is kothey. It makes the bottom just nice and crispy. It's really hot. And then it's just like an extra layer of crunch. It's so good.
If you ever visit Nepal, if you want super hygienic momos, contact me.
And also, Grissom literally learned how to do this like a couple weeks ago. This is his
This is my second time.
but it's so good. So good.
Yeah.
How did you learn? Did you watch a YouTube video?
Oh yeah, I learned YouTube video, but I never follow YouTube video. I have my own recipe. Yes, finally we made a momos. It was so good.
Yeah.
So
Our bellies are full. Kitchen is finally clean. I will say, momos is very, very time consuming to make, but very delicious. Just not gonna do it all the time. Anyway,
big process.
yeah. Alright, I love you all. Like, share, subscribe, please. I'm trying to convince Grissom that if we get 1,000, right now we have almost 200 subscribers. Famous. Anyway, I'm trying to convince Grissom that if we get 1,000, he'll shave his head.
Yeah, let's see. Subscribe.
I love his hair, but it would be pretty funny to shave his head. Anyway, okay.
Bye-bye.